Binance added a new feature called Auto Invest to their web version and on the mobile application. So let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Auto Invest on the Binance web version and mobile application. Binance added this new feature to their platform, like there is Auto Invest and like there is Binance NFT Marketplace. These are the two best features that Binance newly added to their platform. So guys, step by step, I will show you one of the best feature that Binance newly added to their platform, and that is called Auto Invest. How to use it, what is Auto Invest, each and everything I will cover through this video. So before getting to the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification, because every day we are uploading different kind of videos about cryptocurrency mining, and about Binance tutorials. So guys, let me explain what is Binance Auto Invest. For example, when you are busy with your other task or with your daily activity, so easily you can navigate to the Binance and you can make your portfolio a best portfolio for inside the Binance exchange platform. Like daily you have a routine to work or to go outside and perform another task or activity. So in this case, Binance provide you the Auto Invest, the new feature inside the Binance platform, that you can easily use that Auto Invest category to use the Auto Invest for your Binance exchange wallet. So what is Auto Invest? Auto Invest allows you to automate crypto investment and earn passive income. It is a dollar cost averaging DCA investment strategy. You can choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase on a regular basis. You purchased crypto will be automatically deposited into your flexible savings account, so you can earn passive income with your investment. If you use Binance Auto Invest, so easily you can make passive incomes. Like if you are doing another work or you are having a daily activity routine, so in this case, if you use the Binance Auto Invest, so automatically the bot or Binance Auto Invest will purchase for you and will sell their Auto Invest plan that you made on the inside the Auto Invest feature. So how does Auto Invest work? The first step is choose crypto you want to buy. Create a plan by choosing how much you want to buy and select your preferred stable coin, and select a recurring cycle on how often you want to buy crypto, and that is all you said. This is the Binance Auto Invest, how it works. What happens to my Auto Invest purchases when I don't have sufficient balance in my spot wallet? If you have enabled the use flexible saving balance function, I will explain further you for while creating a plan to buy or to use Binance Auto Invest, and show you how you can enable the flexible saving balance option. When the balance in your spot wallet is insufficient to cover the Auto Invest plan purchase, the system will automatically redeem the assets for your flexible savings plans to complete the purchase. If you don't enable the function, the purchase will fail. Again and again, the system will try to make another purchases on the next Auto Invest date. How many Auto Invest plan can I subscribe to? There is no maximum limit the number of Auto Invest plans you can subscribe to. There is a how to purchase, how to pause or stop my invest plans. You can go to wallet and click on earn option and click on the Auto Invest plan to view your plans. To pause the resume plan, toggle the button or under on or off. To stop plan permanently, click on the remove plan. So guys, so what is Auto Invest, how it works, I explained you. So now go to your Binance regular account and sign in on the Binance. Once you come here, click on the earn option and click on the Auto Invest. If you want to use Auto Invest on your mobile device, simply go to your mobile application, click on the more option and click on the scroll down and find out the Auto Invest option. There is, you can see, create your own Auto Invest plan, regularly invest in cryptocurrency with a predetermined amount and accumulate for your crypto holdings. There you can see two category. Start creating your Auto Invest plan. There is enjoy the auto invest plan while earning passive income. There is portfolio auto invest. You can see portfolio auto invest diversify your crypto holdings and increase coverage. There is you can add multiply cryptocurrency. There is 19 coins available right now in my plans, so you can add 19 coins as a multiply coin. Then you can purchase all of them and you can add all of them inside the auto invest. Once you come here, you can see the historical ROI, and there is the product. There is the coins that you can see. If you should navigate to the graph, or if we should check the time frame of the coin, like there is BNB. If we navigate to 3 years back, there is 1167.87%. This coin just its price increased, and there is 1 year, you can see minus 1.53% it decreased. If we navigate to the 6 month, you will see that minus 10.89% decreased. If we navigate to 3 month, there is minus 162%. So however, if you come to the Luna or Matic, these are the coins that you can see it increased the prices up to there is 6,000, and these two coins you can see, you can check their time frame inside the auto investor. So how you can create a plan? There is BNB. So if you should click on create a plan, if you use the Binance Auto Invest, there is, you can see the fund that available inside my Binance account, that is 1 USDT. So the maximum amount is $10. You have to add the $10 inside your spot wallet or saving wallet in order to create a plan, or in order to have passive income inside the Binance Auto Invest. So there is, you can see recurring cycle. You can make that daily or weekly, or there is 2 week or monthly. You can see here that is 2 week, and there is repeats on Monday, or there are Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can come here and create your auto invest plan by yourself. There is the local time. You can see, for example, you can add that 6 a.m. or 6 p.m. you can mention the time. Once you add it, once you make the auto invest plan, so there is the minimum is it depends on the spot wallet that you have, how much USDT or how much BUSD coin you have inside your spot wallet. And there on the right side, you can see there is the summary, create time, amount period, and there is first auto invest date. As I told you that use flexible saving balance. So there, if you don't have enough balance to your spot wallet, so you can see, you can check this box to once your balance decreased, it should not give you the notification of the failure. So there you can see assets are redeemed for the flexible from the flexible savings and used towards auto invest when the spot balance is insufficient. So once you are done, click on I have read and agree to Binance Auto Invest and click on the confirm option. So this will make you a Binance Auto Invest. How to make multiply plan on the auto invest? So there you can see 19 coins is available. So click on the create plan. There is 8 coins plus option. You can see here you can add more than 10 coins at the same time. So here you can select BTC, AXS. There are lots of coins that you can add all of them as the auto invest plan. So you can see that I have selected all the coins and click on the confirm option. Now you can see the coins are added successfully. Here you have to enter the amount of USDT, and you can see again I have 1 USDT. I'm showing the example how you can use the Binance Auto Invest, and there also you can add your recurring cycle. So there you have to enter the day that you want to make the auto invest, and there is time you have to mention, and there you have to set the AM or PM. Once you are done, you can see the summary on the right hand side. There is create time, amount period, and there is first auto invest, and again here you have see the use flexible saving balance, and there is assets are redeemed from the flexible savings and used towards auto invest when the spot balance is insufficient. There is I have read and agree to the Binance Auto Invest, then click on the confirm option. As I don't have insufficient, as my balance is insufficient, so I don't have enough balance to purchase the auto invest, to purchase the plan, and automatically Binance will work on the auto invest plan and you will have passive income. Once you are done, so click on the confirm option. Binance will automatically buy the coin for you to have a passive income. So guys, it was about how to use Binance Auto Invest. This Auto Invest is a new category or a new feature added to the Binance. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.